Teams feature. It's very easy. To access this, you'll go to the left-hand navigation panel here, and you'll see that Teams has replaced what was once called permissions. Go ahead and click here. Once you've clicked into Teams, you'll see a breakdown here of the different users that have access to the admin features as well as to the editor features of the Teams module. The key difference between admins and editors is that admins have access to the billing panel. If I want to add anyone to either of these teams, I simply need to enter an email address here or here to invite a team member. In this case, I'm going to invite a team member simply called teams@panoply.io. I click Add, and now as the admin that added them, that's all that I need to do. The next piece I'll show you is what this looks like for the person that you just invited. So now that I'm on teams@panoply.io's email, I see that I received an invitation from the owner of this, Panoply. To claim my invite, I will click this link, and I'll see that I'll need to log in using my established Panoply credentials. If you do not already have credentials or have not signed up as a user in Panoply, you'll need to do this first before you can successfully access this new database. So I'll enter in my email, teams@panoply.io, and authenticate. I'll click sign in. And now I see that I have access to the different tables that exist within the database that's called Panoply. A few key things to call out here is that now that I've been added as an administrator to this database, I have full access to edit, add, drop, or query any of the tables that exist within this database. I may also add additional team members using the Teams modules to either the admin or the editors group. I'll show you an example here that for the Asana tasks workspace, I'm going to delete this. The prompt here is warning me that if I delete this table, it will be permanently removed from the database. You'll see the power of Teams here and the importance of making sure that you add the right team members into the admin panel or into the editor panel. Ultimately, we rolled out Teams because we wanted an easier way for you to be able to manage the different people that are coming in and out of your database and ultimately the privileges that they have with your data. This is a new feature for us and we're continuing to add additional enhancements to this, so stay tuned for some new governance enhancements that are going to be coming soon. Thank you again for being a user and for looking into Panoply. This is Sam Eriksson, a data architect, and we look forward to working with you more.